Yo friends and followers, back again for another exciting venture with me, your host, Flip. And we're going to be doing a piece from my colouring book today, so that's going to be pretty sick. Got the legend that is Thom, he's coming down, good old tattooist, amazing graffiti artist, coming down to have a paint with me today, so that's going to be really cool. Yeah, you'll have to wait till the end to obviously see what he does as well. Yeah, as you can see, painting a skull, but not just any skull, a skull came out of my brain hole. It's going to be awesome, it's going to be sick, love it. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, first I started with this dope blue like glow thing I was going to go for from behind it, which looks absolutely sick. Using that, getting that side can action in there to just really flare out some dark blues, getting on to different shades of blue to a really light blue and almost white blue. And yeah, by the end of it you'll see it's banging glow on there, so yeah. Yes! Aha! I've made a new friend, but I don't know what bug it is, so let me know if anyone knows out there what the actual kind of bug this is, because I think he's cool. He's a cool little dude. Also, he did tell me to tell you guys out there that you should like, subscribe, all that fun stuff to help out the channel and the community that I'm trying to grow here for everyone. Because one day, maybe we'll all make it to Artists in Wonderland with all the great artists out there. It'd be an absolute dream to one day, you know, get involved in all of that. That'd be absolutely sick, man. But yeah, back to this. Yeah. So yeah, now we're onto the teeth, onto those shiny pearlescent white teeth that are now going to get some black bits to shade them, so you know, give them some depth, some shape to them, sort of what hair. But there, here comes along my ADHD taking over, as always, right on cue. And now we'll move straight onto the skull. We're going to just blast out some of these skull colours, really sort of lay down the bases of what the colours of the skull is going to look like. Really get some of those tones in there, some of those really, yeah, those shapes, those tones, make it really kind of like how to form it, like form a nice sort of shape and get the bones of the skull. Ah, you see what I did there? Yeah, the bones of the skull, getting them really nice and shapeless. So yeah, if you can hear that in the background, that's my dog. She's having a drink. Picks her moments, but hey, it's all good. Yeah, to really make it come alive. So yeah, to keep in with the wall theme, that so Thom on the other side is doing some leaves and different things for his. So I thought to keep the theme going, I'd add some leaves into mine. I used like a matte gold and a gloss gold. So a matte and a gloss gold to try and really, you know, give them a bit more shape. Just gold, black leaf things, and yeah, they look dope. So yes, love it when you're working and your cat just decides, you know what, I want to be on TV too. Yes. Show your bow tie. No. Okay. You can just lay there. Yeah. No. Pretty kitty. Anyway. I still need my script. Thank you. Gold is definitely not one of my go-tos for a colour choice of leaves, but oh my god, did they not come out amazing. I mean, I mean, the proof is in the picture. As always, it was amazing to see you all here on my channel, and I do really appreciate all the support and everything that everyone sort of shows me on here and all my other sort of places that I put my art out there. Appreciate all the lovely feedback that you all seem to have for it. Now I'll see you guys in the next one, especially this little yeah. Bye. No. Yeah, so anyway, I'll see you all in the next one. Have fun, like, comment, all that fun stuff, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. There's a dog to come and say hello to. Yes, we're all got to come and say hello while it really. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Lates. Also, and time for the final. Get off the wire. Get off the wire. Thanks, Lulu. So yeah, time for the final result because no one wants to let me work today. So yeah, see you all later. Enjoy. Thanks.